Hey guys, we're back, and today we're preserving more potatoes that we grew. So today I'm going to dice up potatoes instead of slice them. I've decided to do that instead, and I'm going to show you why. Come on along. I still have these, which I plan to slice. I have these small ones. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do yet. And then I have these. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to dice these, and the reason why is instead of me doing slicing is because I'm going to be able to fit more per tray if it's diced, and I'll be able to get this done. So then I can move on to the slicing, which will take a little longer. So let me get these washed up, peeled, and I'll start dicing and I'll bring you back. All right, so I got a good mess going on, but here's my potatoes. They've been peeled. I'm not worried if they still have a little bit of skin on them because I've washed them 3 or 4 times, so they're fine. And what I'm going to do is put them through this to dice them. And that just makes it easier, uniform pieces. So let me do all that and I'll be right back. So the potatoes are all cut, rinsed again, and I'm going to cook these until they're fork tender, and then I'm going to drain them, rinse them, and put them on the trays. Okay, I got 4 trays of the diced potatoes. There's only 3 here because I can't fit it on my counter. I got so much going on. We're gonna put them in the freeze dryer and we'll be back when they're done. All right, so they're all loaded in, and because I didn't defrost it from the last cycle that I just finished, it's good to go. And hit continue. I did not hit extra dry time, but I put the potatoes in 4:18 p.m. yesterday, and now it is 1:18 p.m. So let me open the valve. See where we're at and see if we need more dry time. They seem to be done. And so I'm going to put these in smaller jars because we can dump them in soups. And obviously I wash my hands before I do this. Ooh, and I forgot the oxygen absorber. Let me just do that now, which I keep in a glass jar. And I will have to get more of these out. So I'm going to put 1 per jar. And I also make sure my hands are completely dry, just like the jars are. And because these were just potatoes, not any butter or oil like the mashed potatoes that we just did, these will last a lot longer. The ones with the butter and the oil, I only plan on getting through the winter with them. And we do want to leave a little bit of a head space, but I did want to show you how quick and easy this is, like the mashed potatoes were. Now I have a regular mouth jar here. All right, so I've got my vac sealer on my regular mouth jar. Obviously my lids have been washed and dried completely, and we're going to hit vac seal. So it was really neat to see that the plain diced potatoes dried a lot quicker than the mashed potatoes, and again that's because of the fats and the oils, because they don't last as long. You could mash your potatoes without the fats and the oils, which I did put in the description box of my other video, but the fact that it's quicker makes it really nice because I still have about half of the potatoes left. And the jar should be sealed, and we've got a seal. All right, let me do the rest of these and I will be back to show you what it looks like. The other thing I like to do, if at all possible, instead of touching the food, is actually scooping it in like that. So there you have it. For a little bit of effort, we got diced potatoes that just need to be rehydrated and reconstituted and thrown in a dish. So easy as pie. I love it. So this is what we ended up with total. Not bad. And what I'll do with this is I'm sure that I will have less than a jar of the other kinds of potatoes, and I'll just fill that up with a different form. Like, I'm sure I'll do more diced. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned because next up we're doing sliced potatoes in the freeze dryer. Take care.